How to go live on TikTok. Hello and welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go live in your TikTok account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure that you have updated your TikTok app. Head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in TikTok. In case you see update sign here instead of open, tap on update. And once you have successfully updated your app, tap open it. Here, make sure that you are logged into your specific TikTok account, then tap onto your profile on your bottom right. So in order for you to go live on your TikTok account, you need to have 1,000 or more followers. If you don't have 1,000 followers, then you won't be able to go live. But in case you see 1,000 followers under here, tap on plus icon on your bottom. If you have 1,000 followers or so, you will be able to see live option just beside the text icon. And that is how you can go live. Simply tap onto that and tap on go live, then you're good to go. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.